One of the greatest French psychologists, thinker and philosopher said, day by day in every way we are getting better and better. Every day in every way we are getting better and better. And that is very much practical and applicable to this Jane Montessori High School, the creator GPR. Work is going on slowly and steadily, and the stakeholders, the parents and the children are feeling very much proud that Honorable Mr. GPR created one of the best institutions on the face of this earth. It's remarkable, it's great, it's wonderful. You can see how things are happening. It is huge investment, time, money, energy, enthusiasm, passion, devotion, care, share, the willpower to see that the people of Telangana, particularly in the Yadadri district, they are highly benefited and getting the best institution, better than anybody else anywhere, because you need more love and affection towards education. It is not the money, it is not the big building, but it is the big heart saturated with passion and care and devotion to really deliver the best. Pingaledi, one of the visionary leaders of India, always believed that foundation of greatness is education. The education first to transform ordinary mortals into a great human being. The person who is honest, who is truth, who is physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, socially very enlightened, knowing every trick of the trade, how to behave, what to speak, what not to speak, how to conduct himself. These are the basic things what it is taught here. Transforming ordinary mortals into a very decent, disciplined, committed, dedicated, nice human being. This land is initially belonging to one of the most pioneer, dedicated, devoted, Vijay Lakshmi Madam, the Honorable Mother of Sri GPR, whom I call Holy Man, Goli Pingaledi, and that land has got meaning today. And the drive, and the passion, and the commitment has come from Pingaledi. He wanted a school here for last 15 years, but everything has its time and place. It doesn't happen overnight. The universe is controlling everything. Nothing happens unless the destiny is shaping its tune and frequency. Now the time has come and the school has come. Much more passion, much more dedication, much more commitment. The creator, the developer, the motivator, and the man with a passion and devotion to see this school is coming. Pingaledi. Thank you, Pingaledi. I am proud of you, and I have raised a slogan which is just meaningful and purposeful and reality. मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, पिंगल है तो possible है, friends. Now it is just something, in the beginning stage, there is much more to come. There is much more to come. It is in the initial stage, and see the parents bringing their children. That was a dream, and that is the dream of Pingaledi. He wanted a school right here. Right here, you see the Bambino wall. And another GPR road, if you go there, you find GPR paternal house, Honorable Mr. Pratap Reddy's house. He wanted this school in his motherland, Vijay Lakshmi Madam, right here. Everything is designed by him. Look at the wonderful gate, approved by HMDA. 40 feet all around, 60 feet all around. Marvelous. I'm excited. I myself, an educationist, studied in various institutions including IIT Kharagpur, and whole life I'm a student. I'm a student, students of nature, students of human, animals, everything. Quality and quality, without quality, you talk nothing here. Quality. And that comes from commitment, and that's come from passion. GPR, congratulations for your vision. And there are much more here. This is something 2.5 acres land, and there are some acres and acres more land, acres of diamond. Something great will come again there. Yes, where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you, and thank you again and again, and thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, GPR. Thank you.